Hello everyone, we are going to be working on the Floral States of America by Cotton Cuts, and this is Maryland. How's everyone doing? I hope you're doing all great. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. So this is Maryland. The capital is Annapolis. The statehood is April 28th, 1788. The state bird is the Baltimore Oriole. The state flower is the Black-Eyed Susan. The production there is greenhouse and nursery. It is 12,406 square miles. The famous person there is Harriet Tubman. And an interesting fact is Assateague, I'm going to say, Island is home to a herd of wild ponies. And the quilt shop to visit is Patches Quilting and Sewing in Mount Airy, Maryland. So here we are, the pieces. These are the pieces here. And then this is the floral pieces right there. And here is my paper. Right there is the state block we will be making. I'm going to take my piece of washi tape I've had. I set my machine and I am ready to go. So everything uses a 1/4 inch seam. So the very first thing we are going to do is move all this aside. And we need 2. So 1, 2, and 1, 2. We need 2 HSTs. So let's go for that. And let's go start making first block. Well, it's the 1 block, right? Because it's 1 block per state. So we're working on the first part. Put those in. All right, the next thing it says, we need to do 2 blue and 2 aqua. So let's sew those right on here. Again, I'm chain sewing all these different steps. Right here. And then the next thing is we are going to chain sew and make some flying geese using these and these, and we're going to make 2 sets. No, I'm sorry. We're going to make 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this goes upside down, and we have pieces like that. So I'm going to run these 4 through. Ooh, it is hot in my room today. I have this fan going on high. It is actually pretty late. It is 8:37 tonight as I'm doing this. I made a bunch of pre-recorded videos, and it is that hot. It's this fan going. So we have this. All right, now we are going to put this aside, and we're going to break our chain, right? We're going to cut these apart, all our pieces, and then I'm going to go ahead and press get my table out. So these that are blue, they're going to be that way. And these that are blue are going that way. And then these are going out. All right, so I'm going to take this and the blue is going to be folded out. And the blue is going to be out here. So I'm putting those aside. And then these all get pressed out. All right, I'm going to run these through now with this part here. Okay, actually, so these get put over here like that. So you know what I'm going to do? Since I have so much going on right now, I'm going to pin. It doesn't hurt. It will keep me organized. This block is got a little bit going on. So we are going to pin and place some of these things. Okay, so this and this. So I have to sew these two pieces together. And let's go ahead and do that. And this comes, and then we're going to run those flying geese units right through. Here we go. All right, I have everything put. Oops. I'm gonna get that cut. And here we go. Pull out my pins before I prick myself. Cut these apart. And then back to the ironing board it is. So now these that we have here, we are pressing towards there. So there we go, we have these. And then we're going to press these out. So I have all my pieces. Now this piece here, we are going to rotate, and I'm going to pin. Actually, come move it a little closer. There we go. We're going to run this little block right on through. Okay, so now we have that. And what I need to do is to take this block here and have it up, and an aqua goes on this side. And I need 2 of these. And then I'm going to, on the other side, put the floral. And the floral on the other side. And I'm working on the July blocks. These are the July blocks I am working on. And now we're ready to press all our bundle of stuff. Wow. We have our block, and these get put out. Ooh. I got a mosquito bite. Look at that. All right, there. So we have our pieces here. Now we have to put our centerpiece, which is this, is like that, and we are putting these on both sides. We're making it into a star. Excuse me. I had to go get something done over there. Whatever bit me made me bleed a little there. So now I have this here, and what I need to do is that this needs to be pressed in. And now I'm going to put where the teal is to my left, and these nest beautifully right in. And we're going to flip that and put that right there. This is a very interesting block. Wait till you see it. It really is interesting. We are almost done. So we just need to press. And this gets pressed out. Ooh, this is a neat block. It really is. Really like that. It's very different. Very different. Here it is. Here is the block. That's Maryland. We are going to put our clip on there and we will put that in our bag. So we're done with Maryland. We're on to our next one. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, pass it forward, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Take care. Bye.